Athletes preparing for this year's ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will have an additional meet to sharpen their build-up and also get additional relay practice. The Central Hurdles, Relays and Field Events meet, which had been cancelled due to the scheduled renovation of the track at G.C. Foster College, is now back on the calendar. The renovation exercise, which had been slated to start earlier this month, has been pushed back, resulting in one more meet being slated for this month at the Spanish Town-based institution.
Okay, initially we had noted this meet, Fuller Anderson meet, to be the final meet before the relaying of the track. But incidentally, we are still waiting on the clearance of the material from customs. Therefore, we are going to be reinstating the Central Hurdles Relays and Field Events meet slated for the 24th of January, which is next week Saturday. So that meet is now back on. We've been having communication with our federation, and they have asked us to do all we can to ensure that that meet goes on, as that meet is critical, one of those very, very critical meets, because there are not enough relay meets on the calendar. And now with the Western Relays having announced that they are cancelling for this year, we were in a spot of bother nationally.
Meanwhile, Athletics Director of G.C. Foster College, Chester McCarthy, told TVJ Sports the material needed for the renovation of the track should be on site closer to the end of this month.
Based on communication with our broker just yesterday, we are projecting that we should have the material on location here at the G.C. Foster College during the week of the 26th. Based on what we are told by the reggae company that will be doing the relaying of the track, will be out for the entire month of February. So the next meet, therefore, will of course be the G.C. Foster Classic, slated for the 14th of March.
The track at G.C. Foster College, which was first installed in 1998, was relayed in 2015.